Hello, we are going to walk you through a customized user-defined function in order to sum a range based on a specific font color. We have some example invoice amounts from a law firm which I want to reconcile to the source invoices. As is understood, the sum function only works for basic ranges. Of course, we can sum if a range of selected cells based on a criteria in Excel. Unfortunately, SUMIF is unable to aggregate based on a color font criteria. Go to Visual Basic for Applications and insert a module. It is important to always document the specifics of the user-defined function in the green font. Let's call the function sum font color. To optimize the performance of the user-defined function, it is advisable to disable the following Excel properties. Next, we want to declare the object variables for our sum font color user-defined function. Now we need to state the col index variable. This code will loop through all the selected cells. This part of the macro must be 100% accurate, as the user-defined function won't work. We now need to assign some color to the sum font color function. We have completed the creation of the user-defined function. Remember to re-enable the 3XL properties which were disabled at the start of the macro. Let's review the code. We can now road test the user-defined function on our financial data. Let's change the font color of some expense cells with red. Don't forget to physically update the formula cell of the user-defined function, otherwise the formula won't update. Let's change the font color on some other cells. Our formula is correctly recalculating. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, comment or subscribe to our channel.